It is both surprising and shocking that NASA, the world's biggest government-owned space organization, is searching for life, not in the skies, but at the bottom of the sea. You heard it right. NASA is looking at the bottom of the ocean for signs of alien life, and they might actually be looking in the right place. So what do we mean and why NASA should continue searching the deep seas for? The deepest oceans are an interesting place. Although they are on Earth, they are their own universe altogether. 330 meters below the ocean surface is where very few humans have explored. This area is called the esopelagic or midnight zone. It extends from 200 to 1,000 kilometers below the surface. The animals found at these depths are almost alien, having adapted to perpetual darkness thanks to their big eyes and bioluminescence. What's more, this is the place in the ocean where 90% of all fish can be found. That comes around to 10 billion tons. Now, deep sea trenches extend to many more kilometers and keep many secrets. It therefore makes complete sense to explore them. Until now, only 13 people have been to the bottom of the ocean floor, which is 10 times less than the astronauts who have been in space. The deepest region in the ocean is called the Hadal Zone, and it stretches from a 6-kilometer point and down to the very bottom of oceanic trenches. Life forms that have adjusted to existing in such a place look like a product of mad imagination. For instance, you can find disco jellyfish or the sailfish that resembles a water dragon. There are some amazing species of never-before-seen fish at the bottom of the ocean floor. Now, scientists may not have gone personally down there to study the creatures at the ocean's bottom, but we've used modern technology such as unmanned probes fitted with cameras that would help us discover an almost otherworldly world. These probes can travel to the depths that humans cannot travel and can stay for a long time receiving commands and instructions. However, sometimes they too fail to withstand the inhospitable depths of the ocean floor. For instance, in 2014, an underwater vehicle called Nereus, operating under the US flag, went down to the Kermadec Trench near New Zealand. It was simply torn apart when it reached the depths of the ocean at around 10 kilometers because of high pressure. At the time, it was the only functioning watercraft designed for such missions, and losing it caused a long hiatus in related studies and stalled progress. Now, if the oceans here on Earth are so inhospitable and alien, imagine the oceans on other bodies within our solar system. The surface of Europa, Jupiter's satellite, is composed of water ice. According to scientists, the ice sheet has a thickness between 15 and 25 kilometers, and under it there is an ocean. There are hydrothermal vents in these bodies of water which could possibly support life. This kind of life might be similar to the one existing on our very own planet. Now, to find whether life really exists on these moons, we will have to send Nereus-like probes to explore these oceans. And these oceans can be pretty deep. For instance, the water on Europa can be from 60 to 100 kilometers deep, which is 15 times more than that we have here on Earth. To explore these worlds, we need serious preparation, even if we're only sending unmanned probes. It's going to be quite expensive to send probes to explore these oceans, and we therefore need to be well prepared. And NASA is doing just that by practicing deep diving here on Earth. Now, NASA exploring our oceans is a good thing. While we have sent probes to almost every planet in our solar system, and now exploring distant galaxies and exoplanets, we still haven't discovered much in our very own oceans. At the moment, around 80% of our oceans remain unexplored. These ocean parts are called the bathypelagic and abyssopelagic, or the midnight zone and the abyss. Highly specialized species resistant to high pressure, like a tripod fish or a deep-sea anglerfish, are just a small part of the deep-sea world we've managed to discover. Since visibility is practically zero, research is done entirely in the dark. Also, the submersibles can't withstand extreme pressure and therefore can function for just a limited period of time. However, that's set to change with NASA's new underwater drone called Orpheus. It's equipped with high-sensitivity cameras and sensors that also form part of the Perseverance rover on Mars. Orpheus can examine rocks, shells, and living organisms, and create 3D maps of the ocean floor. The relatively small probe weighs 250 kilograms and is made of syntactic foam, a floating composite material teeming with tiny glass beads to make it more durable. It is also equipped with powerful flashlights to light up the surrounding areas and take great photos. Above all, it can save energy and take some cool pictures for longer. The new probe can be a game changer and help us understand our oceans better. And who knows, maybe we can build similar probes to explore oceans on other planets' moons within our solar system. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching.